Hi and welcome. Our task for today is to solve the system of equations on the board. A first glance at this problem would turn a lot of students off. But if we take some time to study the problem, we will notice some very interesting things. For instance, in the first line, we have x in every term. In the second line, we have y in every term. And in the third line, we have z in every term. So we can start by factorizing out these common unknowns. Here we have x. This divided by x is x. This divided by x is y. And this divided by x is z. And of course, this is equal to 18. In the second line, we have y. This divided by y is x. This divided by y is y. And this divided by y is z. And once more, this is equal to minus 12. In the third line, we have z. This divided by z is x. This divided by z is y. And this divided by z is z. And this is equal to 30. Now we can see that x plus y plus z runs across all three equations. So let us do a substitution. Let x plus y plus z be equal to a. In that way, we have that a multiplied by x is equal to 18. We have that a multiplied by y is equal to minus 12. And we have that a multiplied by z is equal to 30. Now we can go on and add these three equations. So we have ax plus ay plus az is equal to 18 plus minus 12 is 6, and 6 plus 30 is 36. Let us factorize because we have a here, and a here. So we have that a into x plus y plus z is equal to 36. But then by definition, we have that a is equal to x plus y plus z. X plus y plus z. So we have that a times a is equal to 36, which gives us that a squared is equal to 36. And that a is equal to plus or minus square root of 36, which is equal to plus or minus 6. So we have two values for a. We have that a can be either plus 6 or a can be minus 6. So what we do is to come back to these equations because we have a times x. So we can find x, we can find y, and we can find z. Very good. So when a is equal to plus 6, we have that 6x is equal to 18, and hence x is equal to 18 over 6, which is equal to 3. We have that 6y is equal to minus 12, from where y is equal to minus 12 over 6, which is equal to minus 2. And we have that 6z is equal to 30, from where z is equal to 30 over 6, which is equal to 5. So we have that x, y is equal to 3 minus 2 and 5 when a is equal to plus 6. Now the second case is when a is equal to minus 6. In this case, we have that minus 6x is equal to 18, and x is equal to 18 over minus 6, and this is minus 3. We have that minus 6y is equal to minus 12, from where y is equal to minus 12 over minus 6, and this is equal to 2. And we have that minus 6z is equal to 30, from where z is equal to 30 divided by minus 6, and that is minus 5. So this is the first solution set. The second solution set for x, y, and z is equal to minus 3, 2, and minus 5. So the two solution sets that satisfy this system of equations are x equal to 3, y equal to minus 2, and z equal to 5. So when x is equal to 3, y is equal to minus 2, and z is equal to 5, this is satisfied. And when x is equal to minus 3, y is equal to 2, and z is equal to minus 5, this is also satisfied. So even though the system of equations look very daunting, the solution turned out to be quite simple. And with that, we come to the end of today's lesson. See you in the next one.